Waiting for full approval should go get your shot now. The vaccination is free, it's easy, it's safe, and it's effective.
The FDA giving full approval to Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. It could boost public confidence in the shots and open the way for more universities, companies, and cities to make vaccinations mandatory. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kay Quinn.
And I'm Mike Bush. More than 200 million Pfizer doses have been administered in the U.S. under special emergency provisions since December. 5 on your side's Justina Coronel is here with more about what local experts are saying about this FDA approval. Justina.
Yeah, Mike, so a recent poll from the Kaiser Family Foundation shows more than half of those unvaccinated are unsure what full FDA approval is. Our goal is to help break that down for you.
The entire process is a very rigorous process that is designed to prioritize safety over everything else.
The Pfizer vaccine for ages 16 and up has gotten the green light, going from an emergency use authorization or an EUA to full approval. An EUA looks at data for 2 months. For full approval,
that time period is stretched out to at least 6 months and preferably longer. So you have a little bit more time in which data has been gathered, which means you have a little bit more data.
To grant this, FDA reviews an immense amount of information. Flu infectious disease specialist Dr. Joanne Jose explains.
They presented data from 44,000 clinical trial participants, and they found an overall 91% efficacy against infection in their 44,000 trial participants.
Giving it that stamp of full approval, Dr. Hillary Babcock, WashU infectious disease specialist, explains this means it's safe.
They go and look at the manufacturing plants, they review all of their policies and their procedures, and they have found that these vaccines are very safe and effective, should be thought of the same as any other medicine that your doctor might prescribe for you.
Kaiser Family Foundation poll found a key reason for unvaccinated folks to not get the shot was because the vaccine isn't fully approved. 3 in 10 of the unvaccinated report they would be more likely to get vaccinated if it was. For those on the fence, Monday's news could give them more confidence.
I hope so. I hope that people again will feel reassured and will be able to get out and get vaccinated.
Now, one thing is changing with the vaccine, and that's the name. Now, we know the shot has been known as the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Now it will be marketed as Comirnaty. When vaccines or medicines are approved, they have a brand name, so this is common practice.
Justina, thanks. The Pentagon